thrilled with the fact that it is summer now, and we do have to give it back for a little while.
Oh,
yeah,
a little while.
A little while.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. But for now, for most of the 7-day forecast is 60 degrees for daytime highs.
Okay.
With a chance of rain. So there is.
That's what you're.
Yeah, I got some explaining to do. If we take a look at the live view of. That's the East Bay off in the distance, but the camera technically is in downtown San Francisco, where it is 54 degrees right now. Look what happens when you go inland to Concord. Inland Contra Costa County, you are not in the mid-50s. It is still near 80 here. And we've got a bit of a cool down coming, and I'll show you the comparison. Tomorrow, by the way, is going to be quite different than today. 2 reasons. It's going to get cooler, as we'll see. It's also going to get windy. But here's where we kind of landed so far for daytime highs. We haven't got the official daytime highs in yet, but in general, this is pretty much in the ballpark. 80 Livermore, 72 San Jose, 70 Santa Rosa, 62 in Oakland. We're going to change this from today into tomorrow. Watch the colors dramatically shade differently, and the numbers noticeably go down. Now your daytime highs are in the mid-60s tomorrow in Livermore. It'll be 65 in San Jose. This is tomorrow. Numbers in the North Bay will stay in the upper 60s, but the other thing that stands out about tomorrow really becomes apparent when you visualize the winds, because it's going to be a lot stronger tomorrow in the afternoon. That's a strong onshore breeze. It's like a 30-mile-an-hour gust in the city, and it's strong enough it's going to start transporting the cold air, and pretty far enough inland too, that tomorrow really starts the cool down. And those numbers that we saw for tomorrow, that's pretty much it for the next 6 days. We're not getting any warmer than that, because that system, which is responsible for ushering in the winds tomorrow, is also going to make a hard right turn, redevelop, and sit right off the coast. That's Andrea just sighed. This is Monday night into Tuesday. So the way this is going to go is that's a cutoff low, which means it's not attached to the storm track. There's nothing to motivate it to move along. So it's just going to kind of park off the coast and pitch a tent for like 4 days. And from there through Friday, there's a chance of rain. It's not like it's widespread steady rain, but there is going to be a chance of rain on any one of these days. And I mean, and in general, to come away, it's way too early to try and put rainfall amounts on what will happen between Tuesday and Friday. But for where the ensemble of the model stands right now, maybe half an inch of rain. So half an inch of rain over 4 days is not a lot. All right, it's like 1,500ths of an inch a day, and that's not a downpour. But you could get an occasional thunderstorm mixed in there. So that's the thing that stands out about the forecast as we look ahead to a pretty active-looking 7-day forecast with numbers that want to stay in the 60s the whole time. So let's start out with San Francisco and Oakland first. There's that 4-stretch day, and the numbers are also noticeably cooler the whole way through. We're going to see the same story for our North Bay valleys and the South Bay valleys. It does get a little warmer and drier by Saturday of next week, but a lot of that's going to depend on how motivated this system gets, or if something else comes along in the Pacific to pull it out of here. Right now, there doesn't really seem to be anything too impressive to do that. So it will be an interesting week in terms of timing out how likelihood the rain is going to be and what the thunderstorms might look like, because yes, that is a possibility in here. There could be an isolated thunderstorm mixed in for any part of the bay at any point in those 4 days. So we'll have much to discuss.